Hey guys, today I'm checking out a portable SSD from Kodak. I grabbed this one on AliExpress for just $35 with a solid discount. The one I got is 512 GB. There is also a pro version of these drives that uses NVMe storage, which is like 5 times faster when it comes to read and write speeds. But of course, it costs way more too. I'll get to the speed test in a bit, so hang tight. The best thing about this SSD is the price. If you wanted the same storage from Samsung or SanDisk, you'd be paying almost twice as much. Maybe those are better quality, but I've been using this Kodak drive for over a month now, and it's been working just fine. I mostly use it for storing video files that I edit later. If you're thinking about picking one up on AliExpress, don't forget to use a promo code to get an even better deal. I'll drop all the details and the link in the description box. Alright, let's crack this thing open. The SSD comes in a plastic tray inside the box, and it's packed pretty well. In the box, there is also a manual and a USB-Type-A to USB-Type-C cable to hook it up to your computer or whatever device you're using. I really wish companies would stop throwing in these USB-Type-A cables. Like my MacBook Pro doesn't even have that port. A lot of people will need an adapter for it. I ended up ordering a short, good quality USB-C to USB-C cable instead, which just makes life easier. There is this little yellow rubber band around the SSD. No clue what it's actually for, maybe just for looks, but I use it to keep the cable pressed against the drive. Honestly, it's kinda handy. Now let's check out the size compared to my iPhone 15. I measured it with a ruler, and you can see the dimensions on the screen. It's super lightweight and barely takes up any space, which is nice if you're carrying it in a pocket or backpack. Alright, time for a speed test. I plugged it into my MacBook with a solid cable and ran the test. You can see the speeds just around a bit, but on average, I'm getting over 700 MB per second for writing and around 400 MB per second for reading. Not bad at all for a budget SSD. Oh, and by the way, when I used the stock cable with an adapter, the speeds were way worse. The write speed was almost cut in half. So yeah, getting a better cable is definitely worth it. After using this SSD for over a month, I'd say it's a solid buy. No issues so far, the speeds are decent and it's super affordable. I definitely recommend it. I've also been using Kodak microSD cards for a while, and they've been great too. So yeah, Kodak storage seems to be a solid budget option. Anyway, all the links and promo codes are down in the description box. Hope you guys found this video helpful. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Catch you in the next one later.